Welcome to the award-winning solution Room Manager from ACAR.ch in Switzerland. Let me give you a quick introduction. Maybe it takes 10 minutes to show you all the components which RoomManager.com offers to their clients worldwide. There are actually 4 basic components. One is the Room Manager site itself, the solution for Office 365 or SharePoint 2010, SharePoint 2013, the Outlook add-in, which is a separate module and let you make meeting requests and room reservations, scheduling directly from Outlook. Then the conference room displays that we want to show to you, and last but not least, the latest release in the portfolio, the Visitor Connect, which let your clients coming on the desk self-register, print out the pass, and make a notification to the organizer that the guest has arrived. So let's start very quickly on the Room Manager solution itself. I don't go too much into the details. We have a YouTube channel where you can check all the single components like room utilization, visitor management, invoicing is explained with very nice videos made by our guys from production team. You can just take it. I want to give you the big picture of the solution and each component which makes the Room Manager so awesome. First of all, as you can see, after setting up your site, which is really very easy to do, you access the site by giving your end users the ability to see the calendar in different views, in month view, week view, or day view, and they just can jump into the calendar and double click the free time slot where they want to make the meeting. Let's say we want to set up a meeting for 11 p.m., 11 a.m. So they double click just the free time slot, and very centrally you see that the booking form comes up, and everything, and this is the architecture of the product, is available in this booking form. So everything is very straightforward. You select the site, which might be your regions or your cities. You select then the location, which is filtered automatically by the site, and you see each time the wheel turns for this date and for this given time, which is pre-selected, all available rooms, all available cars, equipments, catering, parkings, even for event management and trainer skills looking for this event, and the invitation for the attendees is done here. So actually here in rooms, we have only one room, so select the room which is available. Please check this. If I change to Canary Wharf, you see it's refreshing, only available rooms comes up. So this makes double booking not possible. So let's stay on London Kensington, select a room, jump to the equipments, use the very powerful tagging feature in Room Manager. Something like audio is needed. You see you can filter down the search results, jump to the catering. Again, something like snacks is needed, so click on snack. Maybe beverages is needed. Snacks and beverages are not available, so clear the search and re-filter it and add it to the basket. The invitation for, or the request for the catering is then sent to the catering services. Parking space management, you have a guest, he's expected, you know that he has a SUV, maybe he's handicapped, so you're looking for SUV handicapped tagged parking space, select it, jump to the attendees, invite your internal people from Active Directory, as well invite external people directly by their external email address to this event and book the event. Event is safe booked successfully. It does not appear on the calendar as content approval is on. A meeting request, approval request is sent for this meeting with all the details nicely in this SharePoint list, which can be customized, further extended by your SharePoint administrators without touching code is available. And from here, the approver or the approvers can approve it and can enter any comment about why the item was approved or rejected into this field, so your requester has an overview. Going back to the booked rooms, you will see that this event has been saved, and as said again, meeting with Atlas, all the workflows and all the process like catering services, like equipment services, like room layout, setup, all these things are done on a fly in the background. This is the approach, what you have or what you get when you buy a Room Manager license, standard or enterprise. The difference between standard and enterprise is in the feature set. Please visit roommanager.com to see the differences nicely shown in the tab. The second component that we sell separately is the Outlook add-in, and the Outlook add-in is a beautiful feature which let you make the booking request directly from Outlook. So make a meeting request here. This is a German version. You have it in English, you have it in any language that you need. Invite your staff, so just take somebody uh, from your email distributor list. Scheduling assistant is available, recurrency pattern is available, time zones are available. All what you are used already in the Outlook add-in can be used the same way with this Outlook plugin from roommanager.com. Add here meeting with Outlook, a subject line, the way you are used, and then you see for this date and for this time, select again. We do the same. The site, the locations are filtered. Let's see if there's something in Oxford Street in London available. And you see no rooms are available, no cars, no equipment, no catering. So there are no resources available there for this given date and time. Let's change from London maybe to another town, to Washington, D.C. And let's see what locations we have. Downtown and New York Avenue. Select New York Avenue. Show again. The web service talks to the room manager site and takes all the available resources for Washington, New York Avenue. Select the room, jump to the cars if needed, jump to the equipment, select the equipment, jump to the catering, add the quantity. These tabs can be customized. They are dynamically arranged depending on what you have set up on your room manager site, so it will fit your requirements. A warning pops up. Please do not forget to send the Outlook meeting request. Please send it. The meeting request is sent to the attendees. They can accept, they can deny. You see immediately it will pop up in my Outlook calendar, personal Outlook calendar, so I can close this. And if I switch to the site, you will see that this meeting request as well, after refreshing the site for the 11th, will be added to the room manager site. So under all events, again, you will see that this meeting with Outlook we have sent is pending. So let's approve it the same way we did before on the site. And then you will see that this meeting can be managed directly through Outlook. And as well, of course, any cancellation, any update, any change can be done bidirectionally. The third part is then the conference room displays. The conference room displays, all the details on roommanager.com, is a brand new part in the Room Manager.com portfolio. We are very proud to announce that these displays are actually iOS or Android-based devices. We don't sell the display. You have the display. All you do is to license it with our software, and all you can do is just connect the display to the Room Manager site URL running on your site or running on Office 365. And it will automatically fetch the information of the current meeting and showing you the current meeting running in this one room with additional features like extending the meeting, like canceling the meeting, and many things else. So it means that, again, it's a very beautiful way to use a beautiful iPad or a Nexus device or a Samsung tablet to take the information directly from the site, and everything which is available on the room manager side as a functionality, like canceling, like making an event, as well is available on this device. So this is really extraordinary, and as far as we know, we are unique on the market with this product. This we have done through HTML, meaning that we can switch to the mobile view, and you see as soon as I switch to the mobile view and I resize and I scale my window, it fits automatically to the size of this device, and everything becomes available in the device. So it can be used as a conference room display, it can be used as a kiosk, it can be used as a signage. Everything is fit and available. Again, let me recap, without installing any native app or software on the device. So this makes it really very unique. And the last one is the Visitor Connect. This is the latest baby that we have in the portfolio. A very great first impression you can do to any visitor of your office. Visitor Connect is a separate module of Room Manager. It welcomes your guest, allow them to check in and to notify employees and the organizer of any event that they are here to see you. All this is done from the beauty and simplicity of a iPad interface or a Nexus interface, Android-based interface in connection to the SharePoint Room Manager side. The iPad is your digital receptionist. Either all the visitors are listed and they can just print out the visitor pass, or they can just sign in by full name, company name form, take a picture of themselves. Notification is sent that the guest is waiting by SMS or by email to the organizer. Hello, Room Manager, Peter Green has arrived to see you, and the visitor pass can be printed out. All this information available on roommanager.com. Hope to see you soon. Take care. Thank you very much for your time and your interest.